Think you know Ethernet cables? Time to upgrade your knowledge. Myth 1. Expensive cables are always better. Not true. Fact. Performance depends on category and quality, not price. Good Cat 6 beats poor expensive Cat 5e. Myth 2. All Ethernet cables are the same. Absolutely not. Fact. Categories vary in speeds, bandwidth, shielding. Cat 5e, 1 gigabit per second. Cat 6, 10 gigabits per second short distances. Myth 3. Long cables always slow speeds. Not necessarily. Fact. Up to 100 meters, speeds hold if standards met. Beyond, attenuation occurs. Myth 4. Gold-plated connectors boost performance. Think again. Fact. Gold prevents corrosion for reliable contact, but no speed gain. Myth 5. Copper twisted pair is obsolete. Far from it. Fact. Cat 5e copper suits most home internet, cost effective. Key facts. Ethernet faster and more secure than wireless. Less interference than Wi-Fi for stable connections. Cable colors simplify complex network organization. Cat 6 excels in crosstalk control. Shielding reduces noise over distance. Cat 6 and Cat 6A ideal for PoE with thicker conductors. Remember these myths and facts to optimize your network.